Hello guys and welcome to Think So. So without further ado, let's move into the 4 tips that will help you become more charismatic. And the first one is listen more, talk less. Have you ever been in a situation where you're having a conversation and the other person constantly talks about himself or herself without stopping or caring what you do or how you feel? Well, that's very common and it is exactly the opposite of charismatic. Instead, a charismatic person should be a great listener and be present during the conversation. Pay attention to what the other person is saying and show your presence by maintaining eye contact, nodding your head and your overall facial expressions. Also, let the other person finish their sentence and only then ask your question, instead of interrupting and being a conversational narcissist. The second tip is give before you receive. You can never establish a true connection or relationship with the mentality "what can I get from him?" or by manipulating others. No one wants a needy person to talk about their problems. Instead, by giving and caring for others, you show that you have value. Others feel and recognize that, and they naturally want your attention and presence in their life. Strangely enough, if you act with the intention of giving, it is more likely that you will actually start receiving more from others. The next tip is develop your body language. Body language refers to the non-verbal signs that we use to communicate. It has been suggested that body language may account for 60 to 65% of all communication. Of course, this is a huge subject and there will be a future video about it, but here are some practical tips in order to improve your body language. Maintain eye contact while having a conversation. It means that you are paying attention. However, don't overdo it because it can feel threatening. Also, sit upright and maintain an open posture, which keeps the trunk of your body open and exposed. That posture indicates friendliness, openness and willingness. And avoid fidgeting. It makes the other person feel nervous because it actually indicates that you are nervous or bored. That's some basic advice for your body language. By the way guys, in this channel we upload new content every week, so click subscribe so you don't miss new videos. But let's move into the last tip in order to become charismatic. And that is, pursue your vision. People with charisma have confidence and live with purpose. It is noticeable when you don't have a mission or a driving factor. But apart from that, you should do it for yourself because it is the only way to improve. If you don't feel like you have accomplished something valuable in your life, why should others view you as a charismatic leader? So pick a goal, find something that motivates you and pursue that. There will be enormous challenges along the way, but that's the point. That makes you stronger and more charismatic. So that's it for today guys, let us know in the comments below if you liked this video. Until next time!